What, Trish from Florida. She's here, but she's from Orlando, Florida. Hey, Whitney. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much, Vanessa. She said on Facebook is so cute.
Thank you.
I love this shade of colors.
It is
Isn't it pretty?
C&D Electric Orange.
This looks so cute.
Okay, so I want to do the beach. But they're all so pretty.
You pick whatever you like. You feel like you want to. Hey, super cute bling nails. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in, sweetie. Your live tutorial today brought to you by one of my students, Ali. She's so excited and so passionate to share with you. Nice, William. You will be in Florida on Fridays. Oh, nice.
Come to the beach.
Yeah, come to the beach. Did I miss plenty? You going to the third nails right now. Whitney, we're going to the third nails right now, but don't worry, you can always be watching our IGTV.
Mm-hmm. Thick density. I'll be like Nancy and turn it upside down.
This is the extra thick density so you can hold your crystal, charm, and chain. Hi MJ, hello, how are you? Vanessa, tell me more about the class you offer and any online classes. Hey, thanks so much questions. Vanessa, the class we're offering is gonna be, it was supposed to be in March, and that class will be for a master brand ambassadors. And also we are working on like 3-day classes. The first day will be liquid and powder. We're gonna work on the shape, ratios, all different shapes and the basics to the advance of your liquid and powders. And the second day is we're working with the dipping powders and crystal placements. And the third day we're gonna be in training a class with to be trainings for all hours student in class to be interested in to be is master brand ambassador, so you can able to work with us, and it's okay, we'll get it. Work with us and being training cross country with us as well. If you love crystals, you love to share your passions and pass it on for a lot of people who is in the industries, as is the classes for you. So the classes going on will be strong on working on structure, liquid and powders, shapes, salon shapes, how you achieve its all different look on the salon, and dipping powders, and of course the crystal placement. We can't like not having it. So I'm so excited. And
Just take, there you go.
Bella, be careful. And then we're definitely gonna keep you more information, keep you posted with more information, Vanessa. So please stay tuned. This is cute. Those beach and the beach and what is flip flop, or do I get it?
Flip flops.
Boat.
No, it's flip flop.
Oh, it's cute. All right. You looking for the frame, right?
Yes.
Here, right here. Right here, look. There you go.
Thank you.
Vanessa's, we will definitely gonna have the link when everything else will back resuming normals, which is regular schedule. We will have all the class turning back on. At the current right now, we don't have any classes going on right now due to pandemic. So we will actually get a schedule back in. But also, if you are like in going to like now tech events and in coming up in next month, Gatlinburg, if you are into the trade shows and the shows from Gatlinburg, we're having a classes 1 hour just for the crystal placements. And that is a class is free, so you can join us. I love the shade of this color. I know, I love the bright colors. They say it's this color giving me life. So Ali create the frames right now. It's cool, Ali. Like the frames. Looks good, huh? Get more. You need more. I can look more for you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Luna says balance. Luna, have you got the price? The Glam Girl, thank you so much for tuning in, love. Please be safe and take care. She said, good night, everyone. It's 4 a.m. here in Nice Work Alley. Thank you so much. The Glam Girl, we're definitely going to see you tomorrow, love. What's more, I found 40 gels and press-on nails, right? Did you request for press-on nails and 40 as well? Hey Priscilla's, how are you? Hey, thanks so much, Vanessa. Likewise, we're looking forward to seeing you too in the class.
That one just does not want to stay.
It's okay. You're gonna lock it in with the crystal, right?
Yes.
Because it's the curve of the nails. I said put crystal along this, it looks cute. It's good. I see it perfect from here. You go. It's cute. On the crystals. Another shape. There you go. Pictures, frames, that's awesome. Super cute wings, nails. Nuna. Nuna, did you have your confirmation, your tracking number? You should check the tracking number, yeah? So then you can able to track that and you know when it's gonna be. Super freaking cute. This is so cute. I might copy and inspire from Ali. It looks so cute on this. Like a picture frames.
It would be cute to leave it like that, right?
Yeah. But we'll not stop from there.
We're not that
do more.
simple.
We're gonna be right back, ladies, because it's gonna be ends in just few seconds.
No.
Because it's a 59. Oh, maybe you will have time. Because it was
Crashed.
it was crashed. Sorry, I didn't mean to. So we'll stay here. We'll not go anywhere unless you let it tell us. But we should be able to make it cool though. Yes, I will do it tonight. So tonight. Oh, that's awesome. I like that frames. You say that. Janae said I like that frame. It's cool, and you can frame it in silver or gold. I think it's stunning. Those feet. They are sandals. Nuna, they are sandals. At first I thought a feet or a boat or whatever it is. That's the sandals. Flip flops. Is that flip flops? Like that. So they're putting all the pieces together. So cute. Ali, I see that.
It's just me, or does it look crooked?
It's okay. It looks great. It looks so perfect. Good. I think it's great. Laugh out loud, Luna. Looks really cool. Great. It's so sparkle though, because you keep moving yours and it's just so sparkle on it.
It's pretty.
Thank you, super cute bling nails. Your student nails look so nice and yummy. You said your nails look so nice and yummy. It's margarita nails. Is make me want to go to have margaritas.
Mm-hmm.
I can only take one sip. That's it. I might get tippy. You know, it's like it over here in Florida is we're opened now with all, I think all businesses. The beach is just like a zoo right now. And I think it's our capacity is for the restaurant is 50 now. I don't know if I'm not saying it's like 100%, right?
Yeah, it's 50.
It's 50% now. nails. Just rave about nails. Laugh out loud.
Alright, you got about a minute.
1 minute. It's good.
Yep, so we can finish this up and we can end the live, go back for the precision, and you guys can sit and chat for a bit.
And then it's Ali putting all the beads on it. Looks really cute. Very good. Sonia said, Ali, this is pretty.
Cute.
No, it's not even wondering. Maybe one sip. I can't do shot though. If you give me or like anything with ginger, it's gonna make me tippy. I'm not lying to you. You gonna look at me like, girl. Sarah knows it. After one sip, that's how much it tipped me.
We'll read back.
I didn't check. That's good.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Alright, say hello again.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning back in. Hey Janae. Hey Nuna. Hey Whitney. Hey Linda. Hey Ray. Thanks so much for tuning back in. Super cute bling nails. Here's Ankita. Here's Murray. How are you? Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Hi. Hi, Pixie, Salon, Niray, is it doing say right? Salon,
It's so cute.
yeah, super cute. Great, so we finish it and here for 60 seconds.